Hi, my name is Lindsay. I'm a librarian and I work at the Tigard Public Library. I'm going to show you how to make a DIY pop-up book. The theme of my example here is my favorite things. And when I open it up, we see a stack of books, a cat, and a giraffe. To make this project at home, you'll need scissors, paper, a glue stick or tape, and colored pencils, markers, crayons, something to help make it shine. I already had a blank mini book, but you can make a book at home if you need one. For instructions on how to make a little book, you can take a peek at the video on our YouTube channel, How to Make a Zine with Staples. That's the Tigard Public Library's YouTube channel. Let's add another design to my book. This here is a daffodil. I drew the front and the back, and I made sure to do it in a way that there was a connection between the front and the reverse along the top. We need that because when the pages open, the two sides will form a triangle, and that's what makes the pop-up effect. You'll notice I also left a blank space at the either end of the piece of paper. Those are going to form the flaps that we use to glue or tape the pop-up into the book. I like using colored pencils, but of course you can use whatever you have at home. So I'm going to finish coloring the daffodil in my favorite color, which is yellow. Now I'm going to cut out the front and reverse of the daffodil, making sure to leave that connection along the top and the flaps on the bottom. Now our design is ready for the pop-up book. I'm gonna open to a blank spread here, and I'm going to apply some glue to either flap of the design. When you add the design to the pop-up book, you'll want to place each flap about the same distance from the center fold of the page. So there I am, I'm pressing down the back flap. I'm going to fold it up in about that same distance. I'm going to apply the front flap. And there you have it. We have a daffodil in my pop-up book of favorite things. And now you know how to make a pop-up book at home too. I hope you enjoy.